Laguna. Number number 1, Ronaldo Llorca. And number number 2, Arturo Lormata. First quarter. First quarter. Possession stays for Gaisaba. There's a redeeming Gaisaba up in there. That is an easy added point para sa Gaisaba. The ball on the right, but here's a quick check and bounces in. Here's the Barangay Sabang. Off to Sakita. Deflection ball will stay. 14 on the shot clock. Takes it out. Hand it over. Crossword passes. Tries to deflect it. Ball stolen. Out and now. For Barangay Santa Cruz clear. Forces all down low deflection. Here's the quick in. Samson with a down low. Opposite to these. Spins. Extra passes. Down low. One under. Off the glass is good. That's an easy go basket. Para kay player number 6. That is also Ito Samson from Barangay Sabang. Here's Rihino. Crossword passes. Handed over back. Picks out. Time to shoot. Here's number 15. On the run and off the glass finish. That is Raquel de la Peña. De la Peña. That is a 4-point now para kay Rodel de la Peña. Four, three, not this time. He's getting the letter. Bigay bola para kay Romel. Here's De La Peña once again. Off to Lainey. Kicks out. Igito for 3. From Caltech. 3. Sapida goes all the way on that leg. Under finish, but here's Rihino on top of para kay De La Peña. Here's Romel on the left wing. Bigay bola para number 15. Rihino force for 3 once again, but not this time. Here's Beloy. Down deflection. Tries to save it. Ball goes out of bounds. Possession goes into the other. Here's the bell. Kicks out. Shot fade. Maini kicks it out. Parayaman. Behind the back passes. Here's the team once again. Repeat train. Not this time. Nakakabigay ng dalawang teammate on that area. But here's the Barangay Sabang. Kicks out. Morante. Lays it off. No good. But here's player number 2 of Barangay Sabang. That is a deficit team. Having a 2-point added para sa Barangay Sabang, and the lead is up to 1 para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Here's Di Mayo. 15 on the shot clock. Setting things up. Shot clock down to the 10. Romel De La Peña fires, just hit the side iron of the rim. Here's Beloy, out and down. Para kay Samson. Here's Samson. A straight off the last basket count. That was a move on. Player number 8. Having his first personal team down 1 was on deck. Santa Cruz. So not this time, but here's the Nino as he brings it to leather. Out and now, para ay player number 21, Harris Peñalosa. Out and once again, here's the Nino, season on the spot. Will Rico pull the J, not this time. But here's what a face of ball going to continue to pass and an outlet pass out. But here, Samson goes all the way. As Enrico Samson. The foul has been called on player number 2. That is Artemis Iguidin having his first personal team down 1 for Barangay Sabak. Here's Nino once again on the top of the key as he set things off. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Player number 25. That is Noel Volante. First personal team by number 2, 14 on the shutdown. Five to shoot. Resky Beloy. Ball will stay 17 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Sinhan checks in. Replacing Mejito. For Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's Andy, good defense para sa Barangay Sabak. But Andy sees an open spot inside the paint and finishes off with a ball change. One mistake for Barangay Sabak. But here's the Sabak. One before solution on that transition. Lays it up and in para kay player number 2. And that would be a debut situation. Good defense right there. Off to netting once more. Off to the down low. Reverse rejected. Spins away, towards this, off the glass, not this time. But here's Santa Cruz giving it live, down the shot clock. Here's Maini with a one-hander off the glass. Miguel Maini. Ball will stay. That was good. Here's Monsoy. Takes out para kay number 12. Here's number 8, Flyers. Bounces off. Here's Mainit. Bigay bola para kay Dimayo. Here's Naki. Once again, lays it off. No good. Here's Mainit with a putback. Miguel Maini. The lead is down into 16-15, 2 minutes. Three seconds. Violation, substitution. Good Chaco checks in, releasing. Demoya Weber checks in, releasing, playing. Lays it up, not this time. Getting the best off the gas, it won't go. Kicks out once again. Nakasa gitna. Sees an opening with really two defenders. Lays it up and in as he blew a sidestep over. They try to get it alive. Out and now. Here's number 12. Extra passes. Ball goes into fielders. Here's Peñalosa. Inside passes open under from this time, getting the best, giving a loud Peñalosa. We're off the glass finish. Para sa West Santa Cruz 2. On the player number 78. 72 rather. That would be Reynaldo Simono. Here's Barangay Sabang running 14 in the pass, close for passes. One-hander is with Galing player of 45. That is Hardy Evangelista of the Guys Sabang. Here's Santos 2. Transition play. Front lock is off. Ball stolen now. Here's Barangay Sabang. 3-1. Extra passes off the glass is good. Arterio Secretin. First quarter, we're going to score 22-17. Lead by Barangay Sabang. The foul is called on player number 16. That would be Marvin Saher. First personal team number 1 at line 52. Number 17 on Barangay Santa Cruz. 102. On that 4.5 meter line. Here's Barangay Santa Cruz taking a next step now on their transition. Kicks out once again inside, drives off the glass, laser in. That is a great attack, Galing player number. Here's Romel, gonna bang on top of the key, 10 to shoot. Kicks out once again, the counter is good, jumper is good. Power from the Santa Cruz, coming from player number 28. That is Cochaco of Barangay Santa Cruz. Deflection, getting the miss. Long stolen, possession will stay on the other side. Possession goes into Barangay Santa Cruz. Long stolen once again. Is it up and look at that. Player 25. That is Roberto Morante as he sees that opening down there. Lays it up and in. Here's the man. One of the key players in Barangay Santa Cruz out and under no good. But almost 11 seconds on the shot clock. Here's one zone. 2 minutes to exact as we go on our second quarter. The Little Wizard, the house will hold on paper. $17, that would be his first personal decal number 1. Substitution for the Barangay Santa Cruz. to shoot. Extra pass, Hardy. The center back, Ivory, getting the miss. On the hander is good. Basket bounce for Little Good Lead. And that would be Jonathan Abelio of Barangay Sabang. Here's Mel on top of the setting zone. 15 on the shot clock. And a Peña for three. Bounces off. Getting the miss, giving it a knife. Out and out. Ryan once again. 4-3. No good. Out and out. Peña with a left-handed. No good. Crosses. Stop. Drop. Jumper. No good. 4-3. Out and now, here's Red. Take a good step now on their transition. De La Peña, extra passes, off the glass finish. Off to play number 6. That is Glenn Sidja. Out and now, here's Morante on top of the East, setting things up. 15 on the shot clock. Getting the miss. Out and now para kay Morante. Here's Morante at the brings in the letter. Taking a step, kicks out para kay Monzoy. Quick shoot, go ahead. Long shot right there para sa Barangay Sabang. Matias naman. Basket counts. Power in the finish. That was being pulled on. Player number 23. That'll be his first regional team foul number 2. That is Barangay Santa Cruz 2. That is from Barangay Sabang. All the goal for Jonathan Abelio. This is that free throw on this ball game. Here's Faustino, takes out on the left. Inside passes, but with a guard out by Faustino. Here's Faustino, off the Monzoy, fires a 3. Scores around, loses it. Here's Mel, take a quick step. 4-3 situation. Forces, out the pass, no good. Here's the Barangay Sabang, out the pass, move, 4 situation. It's to get 3-2. Forces, off the glass, is good. That is late. Calling out Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's Santa Cruz 2 all the way back for 30 oversold. And a foul has been pulled on player number 45. That is Hardy Evangelista having his first personal team foul number 3. Here's Bidon, extra passes, basket counts, and one finish. That was a goal on player number 26. That will be his first personal team foul, number 2 at the line, shooting the bonus, player number 82. Player number 16, that is Marcus Herrera. 3-point play. Starting once again. Behind the back, Faustino. Ball will substitution. Romel de la Peña sets back on the board. Placing player number 17, Elvis Ebue. Ball will stay for the team of Barangay Sabang. 24 seconds on the shot clock. Now that is gets away, going once again. But here's Romel almost finishes off. Out and now. Getting the miss. That is an end-to-one on that rebound and an off-the-glass finish. A quick added two-pointer. Para sa Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's Barangay Sabang. Beloy setting things up. There is some insight right there on what kind of play that they will use on this project. But there will be a pushing foul by a player number 22. That is Luis Cruzal, team foul number 4, and then team foul number 2. Team foul number 3. 5. Ito na, dumating na ilaw. Coming from players of Las Vegas. One of the best players of Barangay Sabang, Jeff Renay. Here's Barangay Sabang setting things up. Pinikola pa kay Joel. Extra passes. Ayan, going all the way to the first. Out and out. Here's numbers 73 to Mason. That is player number 72 for that guy. Santa Cruz Force. And happening for the rebound. Extra passes. That was good. There will be a zone and there goes the two-footer. That'll be going to player number 23. Substitution. Here's De La Peña on the top of the east, setting things up. 2 minutes. Eugenio wants it on the break. And the man goes nothing on that shot. Taking by step down by the Barangay Sabang on their transition. Banana, final deflection, giving it alive. Here's Banana, inside, block passes. Extra pass, Faustino goes a long way. No, Faustino. Out and now, here's the stop and from Bones, 18 seconds on the shot clock, 70 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 5. Ball goes out of bounds. The Santa will stay 14 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. Here's a heat roll for 3. From downtown 3, Sterling Rino. Last seconds now in our first half as they set things up. Here's Beloy, down low passes. Tries to defend that pass. Here's Loven, tightly guarded as he brings in the letter. Good protection on that boy. But here's Manini. Gets out of nose, extra padding for all the way. Shot clock is off. Seconds remaining. 1800 po ng Barangay Santa Cruz. Calling out po sa driver po ng Barangay Santa Cruz 2 na 1800 po. Remove daw po doon sa parking. Parking daw po. Ayan po. Paano ng parking? Ay!
Hai!
As a pass is done the collection, but there will be always on the bouncing ball of player number 6. That will be his. First personal kick out, number 1 for Zanico Sanchez of the Ice Above. Here's Jimenez setting things up, kicks out by Zanico. 1-0-3. Bounces off, getting the miss. But the ball goes out of bounds for Central Wednesday for the Barangay Sabah. There will be also and a foul has been called on player number 17. Foul has been called on player number 17. That will be his third personal and the foul person for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. At the line shooting 2, player number 2, Artemio Seguin. And the first shot is good by Artemio Seguin for Barangay Sabah. Second throw. Here's Seguin now, creating space, getting the miss. Ball will stay, possession will stay, 5 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Zubrigari checks in, they're blazing player 12, that is Biloy. 5 to shoot. Here's Jeff. For 3, scores it, almost, but not quite. Out it now. Here's Sumisaka, here's Jeff. Kanainai taking a spin step. Down low. Hand it off. Jump fake. Off the glass. Not this time. Here's the ball is loaded. Here's Sobrigaray. Down low passes. Off the glass. It's good. That is Joselito. Samson goes all the way. Quick added point passing. Number of Barangay Sabah. Here's Santa Cruz. Bigay bola para Nino. Here's Nino. Kerwin. Hand it off para Romel. De La Peña for 3. Missed fires. But there will be no whistle. And out of bounds. And the second will stay for Barangay Sabah. Right now, Santa Cruz 2. Here's number 4 as it brings in the network. Kicks out once again. Hand it over. 4-3. Misfires. Natalie Gordon rebound and here's. And the ball will stay. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Possession goes into the other hand. Down passes. Ball deflection. Here's Jeff, spins away, loses it, out and now, crosses, 2v1 situation. Devario, Randy, with a domino, off the glass, it's good. Look at that, Laurel Zubrigaray. That handles inside a quick added point. 1 Ball, there will be some developing goal of player 4, that is the Superlight first personal. Team bell number 2 for Barangay Sabang, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the Peña, oh my! Lays it up, not this time. But there will be a putback. Galing by player number 17, that is Ebue of Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's Kunanen on top of the knee, bigay bola pa rin ulit. Here's Kunanen. Fake passes, inside, up and under, not this time. Here's Kunanen, for the second serving, not this again. Here's Kunanen, tightly guarded. Inside passes, here's Nancy on a crossover. Space with Jay, not again. Here's Kunanen, together with Subicaray. Pinade, after carrying extra pass, Subicaray leads the win with an off-the-gas finish. 5 minutes remaining with our third quarter. Looking for a team the best. Here's Ebue with the letter opposite guard. Outlet now from the down low. Here's Mainit, sees an open spot. Losing that last and an added point para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. 48-43. 5 points still para sa Barangay Sabang. Here's Subicaray with the letter. Jeff for 3. Almost, but not quite. Outlet now once again. Kicks out. Possession will stay para sa Barangay Sabang. Substitution. Sabi na checks in, replacing Gabriel Maynay. And Belia checks in, replacing player number 2. That is Artemio Seguintin. Down low pass, off the glass, not this time. Getting the miss, passing for the rebound. Off the rating. We go up number 21. Outlet now. Here's Ebue. Stop and pop, pull it down. Here's the front iron. And here's Samson. Outlet now. Once again. From the line. There's a extra passes, here's Andrew once again. Bigay bola pa kay Nandi. Here's Nandi. Inside, creating space. Forces, tackles block, Sabita, off to Mulanan. Here's Mulanan. Goes all the way. That is MJ Mulanan. Mainit, bigay bola para number 21. Off to Peñalosa. Bigay bola para number 8 once again. Crosses, Hernandez. Here's the Barangay Sabang. Attack from that baseline. And the lead is on tonight. Up and now, here's number 6. Transition first. Tries to put it back. Not this time. The third will be a whistle. As we go to number 6. That was the second personal for the substitution. Matama checks in, Rainy checks in, Ronaldo checks in, number 4. They're placing 3 players para sa Pita Barangay Santa Cruz 2. There will be an out of bounds, a step on the line, ball moves to the The ball goes into the other 2 minutes exact. That's our time remaining on our third quarter of this ball game. Next up, pass gets out. Here's number 3. Mikey Garvin gets out for 3. Now there's a break it on 3. There will be no whistle and the foul has been called on player number 15. That is Erwin Emilio having his first personal DOE substitution. And then we have to extend by blazing player number 21. Here's Subigaray with a down low pass and stop it up. We will ball number 17. And then over. Great play. Ball is stop it up. Subigaray this time. Now the total player number 8 value is 3 personal. Team foul number 4. Rossi is showing handles right this time. But there will be a whistle. That's the point on player number 3. That is Vega. Harrison Vega having his first personal team foul penalty. Substitution for the both teams scored. They had a text in, replacing player number 6, that is Cecilito Simpson. And the miss, here's Sabida, outlet now. Cross-court passes, here's Vega. Erickson on the down low. Cotton Kingman, Curtis. Deflection, here's Denara. Off to Erickson, jumper. Foul is off, battling for the rebound. 1 minute remaining, but there will be a whistle about to goal on player number 22. 21. One minute remaining on our third quarter. Here's Denara, off to Subigaray, off to Sabida, handed over, cross-court passes, kicks it out. Here's Subigaray, Tamir, up and on the laser. Look at that. Now there's Subigaray having that laser up and in, using a one-hander up and under. Outlet now. Here's Subigaray. Extra passes goes all the way. That is Jonathan Avelio. Shot clock is off. Oh my, look at that pass off the last finish. What a veteran. Galing kay Ronaldo na Peña. Here's the Hino, bigay bola kay De La Peña. And now, attacking, raise it off, good connection. This is the fourth and final quarter. Possession will stay for Barangay Sabang. Here's Marzoy. 4-3. this time. Getting the miss, getting the number 73. There, one up on the main. Here's Main as it brings in the leather off the men. Here's De La Peña as from the logo. Highly guarded, huge clean right there. Then on the shot clock, here's Main. One is number 3. Not this time, getting the miss. Extra passes, golden wicket, goes loaded, outlet now. Here's Morante, Atame, goes all the way. Roel Morante from that place. Here's De La Peña with a bola para number 0. Handed off to number 8, handed para kay De La Peña. Ball stolen once again, off to Morante. Here's Roel, extra passes, goes all the way. Erickson Vega. Here's the Delana off to Vega once again. Straight 4 points on this game. Outlet now. Here's Somano. Crosses. Creating space. Possession will stay for Barangay Santa Cruz. Bueno, the shot clock is out. Para kay Delara. Here's Delara. On top, the East setting things off. Crossing passes. Fires. Not this time. Here's Romel as he takes that rebound. Taking a quick step now off that transition. Crosses. Throwing handles once again. Off to Maini. Here is number 15, Alvinana with a quick J jumper is good. Timeout Santa Cruz 2. Here's Delara, iwain po muna sa akin. Jumper off the last not this time. Getting their own miss. Here's Vega. Down low, alley-oop, not this time. Puts it up, tries to put it up. Here's Romel, showing handles once again. Onto the defenders. Oh my! Beautiful passes. Galing kay Romel De La Peña from Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's Delara on the top of the key as he set things up. 50 on the shot clock. It's out once again. Down low. Handed over from the goal scoring. Here's Erickson. Fires. Not this time. Then he loses to the other. Patik na ba nung mga iba yung mag-aaral? Here's the man. Extra passes. Then Mayo. Not this time. Here's the Barangay Sabang. Evangelista. Sasagasa. Extra passes. Out the left is good. Sige, bola para kay Dilala. Here's Dilala. Take a quick step now. Extra pass. Contact goes all the way. Here's Erickson, lays it up, and Erickson Vega. Extra pass down, so all with an off the gas. Here's Dilala. Crossword passes para kay Morante. Here's Morante. Once again. Zero was on the house with goal on player number 8. First down. Substitution. Zendikay checks in. Faustino checks in. Galoy checks in. Replacing 3 players on this ball game. Dilala checks out. Together with Vega and Morante. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Fires a 3 from downtown. 3! Look at that fire as the fires of the table. Isang highlight naman ang kabuo dito sa ating ball game. Here's Domingo, almost leaves it. Pinay bola pa naman. De La Peña with a fake pass. Here's Mel. Atake. Extra passes. Deflection. Brian Stolen. Possession will stay. Para sa Barangay Sabang. There will be a whistle and a bell. Santa Cruz 2. Back to the ball game. Here's Omega line. Long 3. Not the slide, but here's Beloy. With a putback, but not again for the third serving is good. There will be a whistle on the bell in front of player number 24. That will be his first personal foul number 1 for Mark J. Cunanan. Higit nyo on top and he's setting things up. Bigay bola, patay maingit. 10 on the shot clock. One-hander, no good. So many guys picks it up, taking a quick step on their transition. 43, up and under, and makes nothing in. And then Subri Garay. On the shot clock. Here is Billowing on the top of the key as he set things up. Kicks out, 5 seconds to shoot. Inside passes. Down low, Faustino for number 24. And not this time. Extra pass now. Last 2 minutes. Here's Faustino, jumper again. Out and now. Para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Out and once again. Here's Raynico. Up and under. Getting the lead. Here's everywhere. Seals that point. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. An hour for it by the quarter. But here's Beloy with the letter with a down low deflection. Ball stolen. Here's Rainin. Cassie forces Vince. Almost Jeff with the rebound. Bigay bola para kay Faustino. Goes on the way but no. Here's Reino. Mukhang tinira ng tres. Misfires. There it is. Look at that putback galing kay Nandi from the down low. Fires up a three. Not this time. Outlet now. Deflected by Jeff. But here's Veloy. Kicks out once again to Nana with a fake. Inside jumper. Extra passes. Sagaro with the two. Here's Jeff. Take a one step now. Here's Jeff. He's stopping ball three. Misfires. Almost but not quite. And that's the end of the regulation. Final score 82-56. Won by 2 yours.